Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable or set up mobile hotspot in Galaxy A14 device. So firstly guys, just go to settings and then comes to connections. Here we have an option of a mobile hotspot and tethering. So just tap here, enable the hotspot, right? After that, just tap here, and as you guys see, the name of my device is Tech Guys A15, A14. So if you want to change up the device name, you can change up from here. You can change up the password from here. Save, and as you guys see, the name and the password is now completely changed. Tap on the band here. If you want to set up for 5 gigahertz, you can select it, and if you want to set 2.4, so you can set this one. If you want to enable auto hotspot, turn on the, and you can also use one-time password for all the time, so that when you connect the device will be shown here. It will be all the data will be shown here. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helps you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take